The wonderful multi-purpose utility cart with one drawer can be assembled super quickly. Follow along to get the cart ready for your next treatment. When opening the box, it's okay to use a cutter. Just do not cut too deeply into the box. Before taking everything out, we want to mention that it's a good idea to hold on to your original packaging at least until you've tested all the functions of the cart. Once you confirm everything is working properly, we recommend keeping the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. First, grab the bottom shelf. You know this one is the bottom shelf because there is this dip in the front and there is no railing on the bottom for putting in a drawer. Take the 4 wheels and the 4 poles that have the bolt threads on the end. The wheels screw onto the poles like this. You'll sandwich the shelf in between the wheels and the poles. Attach the 4 wheels to the 4 poles. Now take the other 4 poles and the middle shelf. The middle shelf is the one that looks like this. Just like the bottom shelf, the middle shelf will get sandwiched in between the bottom poles and the top poles. Screw on all the top poles. This dip here on the bottom shelf indicates the front of the cart. Make sure when you put the top shelf on that it's facing the same direction as the bottom shelf. Now you'll need the small parts bag and the side trays. These trays are interchangeable, so you can put them on either side of the cart depending on how you want it. For this video, we'll put the trays on like this. Let's attach the front bolts first. You'll want to use the bolts with the rounded heads. We'll use the third bolt with the rounded head back here, and that just leaves the mag lamp holder. The lamp holder gets attached with the flathead bolt. Please note that you can put the mag lamp holder at any of the 4 corners of the cart. For this video, we'll put it here at the back of the cart. The last thing to do is put the drawer in at the front of the cart. If you ever need to remove the drawer, all you need to do is push this little piece down on both sides of the drawer and pull the drawer out. There you have it. Now you can outfit your cart with your tools, towels, supplies, mag lamp, and whatever else you might need.